Hi everyone! Welcome to Create Me. So this is a color change stormtrooper from the Woolworths Disney Ooshies. So we've got two of them here. They're, if you have a look here, they're like a little bit pinkish white in a way, kind of, but more to the pink. So what they told us to do here is drop into ice cold water to change color. So we are just gonna test this out and see how it goes. So here we've got a bowl of ice and we're just gonna pour some water in here. Okay, cold water. All right, while we let it sit, now we're gonna try to drop this little guy in and we'll leave this guy out to see the difference. Do you wanna drop him in? Oh, did you see that? All right, flip him. Do you wanna flip him? Whoa, did you see? See how he changed the color? Look at that.
Red color.
Oh, now he's all red, like he's like, look at the color.
That difference. Try that one.
That's pretty cool. With this little guy, when you actually touch it, they do change color too. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to try it? Do you want to show the camera? Yeah. What do they become? White? Okay, so they originally is a little bit pinkish, pale pink. And then when you touch them, hold them in your hand so heat will make them white. So natural heat will turn them white, but icy cold will turn them this red color. Look at him, he's mad. He's like all angry. Or else in the photo, in the actual thing, they only put half of the body. So do you want to drop in half of the body? Look at that! It's like painting the guy. Look, and then it's slowly turning the pink color again. Give him in again. Look at that. Oh, okay, pick him back up. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh. Well, that's how the color changing works. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and we'll see you at our next one. Thank you. Bye.